Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is October the 20th, 2020, and what I want to talk to you about today is the Tosca heirloom onion. Now the Tosca onions are, they're a torpedo-shaped onion. They're not the round shape, they're definitely torpedo. Now I have a larger one here and I have a smaller one here, and these were both grown at the same time. Now, these are one of my top favorite onions for cooking. These are excellent for cooking. They hold their flavor very well. And what I've noticed with them is they don't seem to disintegrate. A lot of times, like when you're cooking with onions, what I find is the onions kind of disintegrate on you and you can't find them then. And I like, when I'm cooking with something, or I'm, making a sandwich with something that has cooked onions in it, I like the onions to be able to be on the sandwich. So that's what I noticed with this variety here. It doesn't disintegrate. Now this is a long day onion, meaning it's for people who are growing in northern climates, and I'm gardening in Pennsylvania in Zone 5B, so I need long day onions. If you're growing like down south, you need short day onions. So this one here is great for where I'm growing mine at. Now these are long keepers, and they have a longer storage life than most of your onions. And this is the one I'm definitely going to be keeping it. And this onion here would be great for saving for a seed onion. And what I would do with this is I would store the onion until next year, and then when I plant my onions out into the garden, I would plant this one here in the garden, because this one already grew one year. The second year it's going to send up the flowers to bloom, and providing I don't have another onion blooming at the same time, it will seed true for me. So I might do that with this one here. I might keep it for a seed onion. I like the size of it. And the benefits of collecting your own seeds is the plants will actually adapt to your growing climate. And that's going to make them hardier. I did a video on my YouTube channel for selecting your heirloom plants, like to save seeds from. And I know these are bulbs, but it's still, the principle is still the same for between like your bulbs and your plants for what to save to select your seeds from. And I also explain the benefits of collecting your own heirloom seeds. So I'm probably going to keep this one here if I can for a seed onion. Now, if somebody happens to grab it and use it, then I won't be able to. But hopefully I can put it at a spot where I'll be able to, keep it until next year for planting for seeds then. And definitely, we love the flavor of these onions. They have a very nice flavor to them, very pungent flavor. So if you've never tried the Tosca onion, I do highly recommend it. It's my top favorite cooking onion, and I just really like the flavor of it. So it tastes really good, like with fried potatoes and stuff, and it just has that wonderful onion flavor. And I like that, it doesn't lose its flavor. Now I do have videos on my channel for how I start our onions from seed. I did grow these here from seed, and you can check those out. I have complete playlists on there. And so if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.